Hey guys, this is how to fix a global TV app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna give you three solutions for this to work. So the first one is just go to your Google Play Store and then just go to the global TV application. And guys, make sure you have the latest version of the app, and when they have an update, it should be showing over here and you should be able to update your application. And guys, the second solution that you have in order for you to fix the issue, just go to your settings. And then after that, guys, just go to the apps. And then once you are on the apps, just go for the global TV and then tap on it. And then after that, guys, just go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, guys, the third and last solution that you have, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your device. So first one is uninstall the app. And then after you uninstall it on your device, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, you should be able to have a working global TV app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!